Hi there, my name's Sophia. Beauty, health and wellness have been my passion since I was in my teens, and I've been working in the beauty and wellness industry for over 15 years, and I'm a qualified esthetician. Now, I'm here to give you the tools to help you along your journey to be your best self, from the way you look to how you feel. In fact, I believe these two things go hand in hand. You can't look your best if you're not feeling your best. And likewise, if you're not taking care of your body and the way you look, you probably won't be feeling your best. This channel offers you a holistic approach. I truly believe in the importance of aligning our physical, mental, and spiritual needs to achieve optimum beauty, health, and well-being. So in this channel, we will be discussing both natural and advanced products, treatments, and lifestyle habits, including exercise, nutrition, supplementation, and also the latest developments in youth maintenance. So if you want to join me on a journey to becoming your best self, make sure to subscribe for videos that are posted every week. I look forward to seeing you soon.